Hi, I'm Jamie Kahl Miller of PandoraAstrology.com, and today I want to show you a really great example of a Venus type and how to find that in the chart. And I'm going to do it as a reveal, so you won't know who this person is at first. And this is a sample of the sort of thing that you learn in my beginner astrology class, which is called Cosmic Companions. So here's the chart. Now, this person is a true beauty inside and out. She is an artist, and not only in just one art, but actually several arts she has found fame in. And I've already given away the gender, so that's a clue right there. But I've covered up not only the name, but also where this person was born, because that might be a clue too. So this person had already started to achieve some notice by the time she was 20. This person is a true beauty physically as well, and very much a partner and a relator at this age. As you can see, she was born in 1946, so she's not young anymore, but very proud of her one lifetime marriage and its longevity. She married when she was, I think, 23 or 2, and is still married. Had a 50th anniversary a couple of years ago. And this person is a kind, personable, and warm person who is also a social leader, a collaborator with other people, particularly women, and without being like, kind of socially dominating in the way that really beautiful women can be at times. And also a generous philanthropist, especially in the area of literacy for children. So who could I possibly be talking about? I'll show you the pictures. Here she is when she was young, and you know this is Dolly Parton, and here she is today. So now I'm going to pick apart the things in the chart that, that would have indicated some of this person's life path. So here we see right away, Venus is conjunct the sun. The sun is right here in Capricorn. There are a lot of planets in Capricorn. So that suggests some ambition, which we know Dolly has. And then Venus is right here next to the sun, bringing the themes of beauty and relationship into connection with identity, which is the sun's theme. So Dolly is so committed to beauty that she's had a lot of cosmetic surgery, which is probably some of why she still looks so great today. She has a motto about that, something about like, nipping and tucking, and like if it's sagging or bagging, well then, she's going to do something about that. So that's an interesting combination of ambition with beauty, right? So let's see what else. So she has done a lot of developing literacy and supporting the education of children in her area. She came from Tennessee. I can take this away now. She was born in Tennessee, dirt poor, as she herself says, and really, really rose from there. So what are the other connections that Dolly has? Well, she has got a grouping of planets in Libra right over here. Libra is the sign that Venus rules, and there are 4 things in Libra, so that would make her a Venus type right there, just having so many things in Libra. But not only that, she has a strong square between Venus, one relationship planet, and Juno, another. Juno signifies marriage and commitment, which is distinct from Venus, which is more about love and romance and relatability. So having this square between Venus and Juno suggests that marriage is not just easy for her, she's had to work at it, which absolutely explains why she's so proud of her marriage of longevity. Jupiter square the sun is absolutely likely to bring a person fame and make them a big personality who can light up the room when they walk in. And then Chiron, connected with all of these things, says that really deep down, this person is a healer and has done much to heal women, with her brand of feminism and the connections that she's made and all the collaborations that she has done with other women, like 9 to 5, for example. And And also, she is part of the Libra generation of Neptune people. People who have Neptune in Libra have a generational dream that's Venus in its nature. It's a dream of love, peace, and harmony, and making a more beautiful world where people can get along. That Neptune is in her first house, so naturally she wants to be an exemplar of that dream. I think she's done a pretty good job. Maybe you do too. Well, that's what I wanted to show you today. I hope you enjoyed it. You can find out a lot more about Venus, and you can learn how to find traits in an astrology chart in my beginning class, which is called Cosmic Companions. You can find a link for that in the YouTube description below that will take you there. I teach this class twice yearly. It lasts about 2 or 2.5 months, and I'd love to see you in it. Until next time, I will see you around the cosmos. Bye.